Okay, I'm going to do this unboxing video on my new Lincoln Electric Viking 3350. It's a brand new model and just got it. Wanted to show what was in the package. First, what we got here is a couple accessories. They include a foose bandana, okay, and they include this really nice bag to keep your helmet in, and it's very nice. It's lined. It seems pretty rugged. Looks like you could actually carry it like a little backpack on your back if you wanted to. And here's the helmet itself. This has got a improved headgear, and it has 1:1:1:1 optical clarity. It is supposed to be the best in the business at being able to see your weld. It also comes included with a couple face shields. I think those are outer shields and maybe an inner shield. I'll let you take a look inside the helmet to see the controls. You can see it has delay time, sensitivity, and shade adjustment. A little test button to make sure your battery's working, and up at the top you can switch it from shade 5 to 8 or 9 to 12. And I don't see where it's at, but I know this has a grind function on there. Maybe that's when you switch it over to number 5 and then turn it down very low. That'll be the grind function. Anyway, that's the unboxing, and possibly in the next week or so I'll do a demonstration of what it looks like through the glass for a welding shot.